Hello everyone, my name is Rain Zenrik and I am from Cybersecurity Year 2 and this is going to be my data-driven application walkthrough video for Assessment 2. So let's get started. So first, when you open up the trivia quiz, you're brought to this page, Trivia Quiz. And you can see that there's a button here that says play. So when you click it, you're going to be taken into this screen where there are going to be 9 categories: general knowledge, books, film, music, science and nature, sports, geography, history, and politics. And you have the option to choose either one of these categories or you can choose the back button. When you click the back button, it just takes you back to the first page trivia quiz. So, just for an example, we're going to click books and then you're going to be taken into this page. In this page, the user will be able to choose between selecting a difficulty from easy, medium, and hard, and selecting a quiz type, which is either multiple choice or true or false. So for this quiz, just for an example, I'm going to be doing easy and multiple choice. You can also click back again, just like I did earlier, and let's start the quiz. So once you start the quiz, you will be brought to this page where you can see at the top left is the score, which is right now 0. And then here on the right, which I'll go into further detail later, which is the pause button. Then here there's the questions, and it's a quiz of 1 to 10. And then the question is presented here. And since I chose multiple choice, there are 4 options. And then a button here for submitting. So if you haven't chosen an answer, and if you click on submit, select an answer. So, anyways, the question is Green Eggs and Ham is a book by which author? And for the purpose of this quiz, let's just say it's Dr. Seuss. And I click submit and it says correct. There's always going to be a pop-up here on the bottom for if you get the correct answer or incorrect answer. So next question is which famous spy novelist wrote the children's story Chitty Chitty Bang Bang? So let's just say it's Joseph Conrad, and it says incorrect, and the answer is Ian Fleming. So basically, you can see the score here changes every time that I get an answer correct. So let's just run through this quiz really fast. As you can see, the number also changes here. From 6, it becomes 10, and the score stays the same until I get a correct answer. Okay, so before I finish the quiz, as you can see, there's a pause button here. So if you click the pause button, there's going to be another pop-up, which is the pause menu. And in the pause menu, there are 3 options. You can either resume the quiz, leave the quiz, or quit the application. So if you click resume quiz, it just takes you back to wherever you left off. But then if you click leave quiz, it takes you back to the categories. And let's just go to another example. Let's say I click film, start quiz, and let's just say I run through this quiz really fast. Then the other button here, the quit application, all it does is it exits the whole application and the GUI closes. But let's go back to resume quiz. Let's say I finish the quiz. As you can see, when I got 2 and 3 answers correct, the score updates from 1 to 2, then 3. Okay, lastly, this is the last question. So when you reach the last question and you answer it, then you click submit. It brings you to this page where it says quiz completed, and then it shows you your score here. So for my quiz, I got a 5 out of 10. And then you can either choose to play again, which is a button also, or exit. If you click exit, all it does is it closes the window. But if you click play again, it takes you back to the categories page. So for another example, let's say that you choose music as a category and you choose hard and true or false. And if you try to start a quiz, sometimes for the selected options, returning to the category selection screen. This pop-up error happens when the user tries to input, let's say, a hard difficulty or true or false. And this only happens when there is not enough information or data given in the API database. So if I click OK, it takes me back to this page. Let's try doing geography, hard and true or false. Basically means that there are not enough or there is not sufficient enough data in the API website for it to work and make a quiz which has 10 questions. So let's go back to geography. Let's try medium and multiple choice. There we go. See, it works, meaning that there's enough data in the database inside the website for it to generate 1 to 10 questions. So let's do it one more time. Let's just answer it. And as you can see, you can also either pause, resume quiz, you can also leave the quiz or quit application. But let's go back like this. And I'll show you the last button, which is the exit button. Okay, and again, the score updated from 5 earlier to 4, which depends on the score you get on your quiz. And if you click the exit button, it just closes the whole application. So that will be all for this walkthrough video. Thank you for watching.